Hey, so this is a remade center stand. You can see how vertical it is.
We have lost vertical control.
I feel like it needs to tip back a few degrees. I've already, I don't know if you can see, but I've already put a couple of washers back here to sort of space this out.
That spaced out look.
But it's still more vertical than I like. You know, it's a Casa stand. It just probably is meant to fit Italian bikes.
That's Italian.
And who knows? Anyway, I don't have another stand. I think I'm gonna cut some notches out of these bits here and bend it and weld it. It's not a restoration.
Cut it.
Looking for M's like I lost a friend. Jump out of my bed like where the bread. You go hold the egg, waiter bring the check. When we talk, we collision cars. Keep us in your thoughts, fully dressed at the crack of dawn. Weapons heading off, I can hear them from the block. See them creeping through the fog. Season's greetings, now feeding season can start. Oh my God, look alive, looking like I live life on a crooked line. Doing fine, you want maximum stupid, I am the guy.
First of all, fuck the fucking law. We is fucking raw. Stay tall, oysters on the half shell. Sushi bar, like a bitch, and the pussy fish. Still fuck the raw. I'm a dog, I'm a dirty dog. Ha 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 ha. Oh, dirty bastard, go in your
Very handy, I can tell.
dog. Shimmy, shimmy, y'all.
All right, that looks quite a bit better. It'll probably settle in a little more once all the weight's on it and once somebody sits on it on the stand. Now I just gotta install my controls back here.
I got it under control.
And I can start running the cables and wiring. Hey, so I've been working on Lambrettas for about 30 years.
He's learning fast.
And I never do it the same way twice. I kind of am figuring it out, like how I like to do things. But I decided on this one that I'm going to connect all my cables and wiring and stuff before I strap these cables down. That way, if I need to move anything one way or the other, I still have the freedom to do that. So I'm just gonna connect everything up. Keep going.
We the pirates, the pride of this great republic. No matter what you order, motherfucker, we what you stuck with. I used to love Bruce, but living my vida loca. Help me understand, I'm probably more of a joke. When we usher in chaos, just know that we did it smile. Cannibals on this island, inmates run the asylum. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la la.
DJ.
I more or less have a rough draft.
I've been deeply depressed. Get help, they might suggest. Trash talk, I take offense. Might as well just bend my chest. Won't sit myself on sofas.
I gotta make up a little bracket to hold my ignition and my regulator.
We know all about the regulators.
I'm just gonna use a little flat piece of stainless. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I know they sell all kinds of stuff. They don't sell much for these Cervettas with this style mounting for the rectifier. Anyway, I'm gonna use a piece of steel, stainless. I'm gonna mount my business on here.
Let's mount up and cut out.
You think you are the boss of me, but most of the time you're my bitch. My bitch has white eyes.
All right, now that I got all my holes drilled, I'm gonna go ahead and use these riv nuts. They're like rivet nuts.
Well, that makes sense.
And then I'll use little spacers to get them up above these, which I like to rubber mount these with a little spacer anyway, so it'll be perfect.
My love a steady guide dog. Stop walking sideways, get me on the track. Back on deck, I'm on the edge. Such a trap, get straight on the jacket. Big fish, isn't that they come in? Big picture, rock down,
So at this point, I think I'm ready to remove my temporary cable straps and install my metal ones. I ended up putting a lot of stuff on here just so I can make sure everything's going to be right when I finally do my final strap down.
Keep your chin up and your strap down.
I'm using these stainless steel zip ties on this. I've never used these before. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I got the cables and the wiring all strapped to the frame here. A lot of stuff set up, so now I can do my internals, my body work, and finish this bike up. Do that next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Let's mount up and cut out.